At Dhatu Organics and Naturals, we believe food should be as nature intended: wholesome, nutritious, clean, and simple. By adopting traditional and science-backed methods like sprouting, fermentation, cold milling, and activation, we enhance every ingredient to nourish body, mind, and soul. Made in small, fresh batches by hand in Mysore, with women leading much of our work, every pack carries not just nutrition, but dignity, love, and life. Dhatu Organics and Naturals, a promise of purity made with care and trust. Nourishing you, organic always.